Hello guys, myself Parimana, currently graduating in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, studying data science, and today's subject is Principles of Programming of C. Introduction to arrays. Arrays are one of the fundamental data structures in the programming, allowing you to store and manage the collections of elements efficiently. An array is also a data structure that can hold a fixed size or ordered collection of elements of all the same data type. Each element in the array is uniquely identified by an index, which is an integer that represents its position within the array. Array widely used for storing and manipulating the data, making them a cornerstone of the program. Declaring arrays. We can declare an array by specifying its data type name and the number of elements the array holds between the square brackets immediately following the array name. Syntax data type array name of size. Example int a of 100. We can access array elements via indexes array name and the index starts from 0, not 1. So highest element of an array is array of name size 1. Initializing arrays. It is like a variable, an array can be initialized. To initialize an array, you provide initializing values which are enclosed within curly braces in the declaration and placed following an equal signs after the array name. Example is like int array of 5, 2, 1, 3, 7, 8, which is enclosed with the square braces. There are types of arrays. One-dimensional array, it have only one dimension and they are represented by a single row or column. Here you can see that the first row is of index and the next row is of element, wherein for index is of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and elements is of 5, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, wherein the increment is of 5 of each difference. Two-dimensional arrays. These are used in situations where a table of values need to store in an array. A two-dimensional arrays can be defined, processed, and initialized in a similar way like one-dimensional array, except that it requires two subscripts where the first subscript denotes the row and the second one denotes as column position. Here also we have the syntax like data type, array name of size 1, size 2, etc. We can give till size n. Example is of int, data type is int, array name is value, and the size 1 is 3, size 2 is number 2. Int value of 3, 2. Three or multi-dimensional arrays. Similarly, like one-dimensional and two-dimensional arrays allows multi-dimensional arrays. A multi-dimensional array can be defined, processed, and initialized in a similar way like one-dimensional and two-dimensional array, except that it requires that much number of subscripts. An array with dimensions 3 or more is called multi-dimensional arrays. Here we can see the syntax like same as 192, but here we give the increment till n size names. Data type array name size 1, size 2 till size m. Example, a data type is float, array name is table, size of 1, 2, 3 till n. We can give any one number, that is here we have given it as 4444. Here are few applications of arrays in C. These are used to implement vectors and lists in C++. Arrays are used as a base of all sorting algorithms. They are used to implement other data structures like stack, queue, etc. Used for implementing matrices. Data structures like trees also sometimes use the array implementation since arrays are easier to handle than pointers. For example, we take it as segment tree uses array implementation. Binary search trees and balanced binary trees are used in data structures. Graphs are also implemented as arrays in the form of adjacencies. Here we end with the topic array. Thank you, Manila.